What if we could change the way we viewed the world, the way we experienced it? That wherever we went, we were prepared, capable, but also representing ourselves and who we're destined to be. And now, all that is possible. Introducing Titan One, the world's first modular tech gauntlet. Customize your attachable options, allowing thousands of design combinations, ranging from high-tech, self-defense, medical, and survival. Using magnetic pogo pin connectors, you easily snap on and off various hardware attachments. Starting off first with a flashlight, but down the line, a camera, multi-tool, and an NFC RFID reader called Titan Tap. With a growing community, we plan to open source this attachment system, allowing you to swap out your own designs, preset attachments, and much more. But Titan is more than just a tool holder. It's a wearable device. And that means it comes with the things you need in today's day and age. From health and fitness tracking like your steps, heart rate, and activity time, all the way to your notifications, calls, GPS, and time and weather. Titan comes with its own personal AI assistant named Tannis. Although it's currently a chatbot, Tannis allows you to get real-time research, updates, and soon to be plenty more through the Titan Gauntlets app. And if you're not a hardware engineer, maybe you just want to snap on something easily without coding. And that's where these magnetic steel stickers come into play. Remove the sticker to snap on whatever you need to carry. And finally, we aim to design Titan for you, building a community of people all around the globe with different backgrounds and ideas of an ideal device. And our goal is to bring the future to you. My name is Karan, and this is the Titan Gauntlets project.